Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue with the next tense, that is the present perfect tense. Yesterday we have discussed about the present indefinite and present continuous tense, right? So I hope that you people have understood it in a better way. So today we are going to continue with the next two tenses, that is the present perfect tense. In that we use has and have. So write down the date. Today is 22nd of December 2020 and it is Tuesday. So let's start. So what is present perfect tense? So we are talking about the present perfect. We are still continuing with the present tense because every tense has four parts, right? First and second part, present indefinite and present continuous, we have completed yesterday. We have discussed about it, and now this is the third tense, right? This is the third tense which we are going to discuss today. The present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed. Present perfect tense बच्चे आपको ऐसा एक्शन बताता है, एक्शन जो जस्ट अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है. It has just been completed. It shows an action. Means, suppose if I say, I have just completed my novel. I have just finished with my food. I have just came here. I have just reached home. कि मैं अभी घर पर आई हूँ. ठीक है, जो काम आपने जस्ट अभी कुछ देर पहले खत्म किया हो वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज होता है. लाइक the present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed, जो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले complete हुआ हो. रीना has just finished her food. Means रीना ने अभी कुछ देर पहले अपना खाना finish किया है. So now where it is used, the clauses, it is used to show an action which started in the past. वो ऐसा एक्शन शो करता है जो पास्ट में स्टार्ट किया था हमने, एंड इट इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग, एंड वो अभी भी चल रहा है, अभी भी कंटिन्यू है. इट इज यूज टू शो एन एक्शन विच स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट. आपने कोई ऐसा काम जो आपने कल या पास्ट में कभी स्टार्ट किया था और वो अभी भी कंटिन्यू है, इट इज इन प्रोग्रेस स्टिल नाउ, दैट इज कॉल्ड. So this is the one of the clause of the present perfect tense. For example, it will be more clear to you when we will read the example. The monument has stood here for more than 100 years. Means एक monument है, we are talking about that, and it has stood here. ये यहाँ पर. More than 100 years means 100 साल से ये यहीं पर खड़ा है. Means 100 साल पहले बना था. Something started 100 years back, but still it has stood here. Means वो आज भी यहाँ पे है. 100 years पहले वो वहाँ पे बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था और वो आज भी यहाँ है. मीन्स पास्ट में बना था बट वो अभी भी वहाँ पर खड़ा है. तो दैट मीन्स दोनों क्लॉजेस आ गए, पास्ट भी आ गया और प्रेजेंट भी आ गया. इट एक्सप्रेसेस एक्शंस विच टुक प्लेस इन द पास्ट बट द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ विच वी कैन सी और फील इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. लाइक इन दिस क्लॉज इट इज सेइंग कि ऐसा एक्शन जो आपने पास्ट में किया बट जो उसका रिजल्ट है वो अभी आपको या तो यू कैन सी इट और यू कैन फील इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. एनी एक्शन विच यू हैव डन इन द पास्ट बट द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ विच कैन बी सीन नाउ और फेल्ट नाउ. या तो आप फील कर सकते हैं या आप देख सकते हैं. कैसे? माई अंकल हैज गॉट अ टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 3 years. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस it is quite clear that his uncle has been teaching there in some school for how many years? For 3 years. 3 साल से वो स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं. And now पढ़ा रहे हैं means 3 साल हो चुके हैं, past हो गया. Action that took place in the past. ठीक है, ये हमारा past हो गया. Has got a teaching experience. अब 3 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं तो उनको क्या मिला? 3 years का experience मिला जो कि अभी है. 3 साल पहले उन्होंने पढ़ाना शुरू किया था. दैट इज द एक्शन विच वॉज डन इन द पास्ट. ही स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट एंड नाउ व्हाट ही हैज गॉट नाउ प्रेजेंट. मीन्स इट कनेक्ट्स द पास्ट टू द प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट मीन्स प्रेजेंट भी आएगा और पास्ट का थोड़ा सा एक्शन आएगा जिसका कुछ इफेक्ट प्रेजेंट में फील होता है. My uncle has got a teaching experience of 3 years. That means his uncle has been teaching there for 3 years and now he has got the experience for 3 years in present. It shows past events. It is very much clear. It shows past events because it is present perfect. Perfect means जो काम अभी just complete हुआ है but present है तो means उसका effect present में भी नजर आएगा. Shows the past events, the time for which is not mentioned. देन वो ऐसे इवेंट्स भी दिखाता है पास्ट के जिसमें टाइम का कोई मेंशन नहीं है, इनडेफिनेट है. दे हैव नोन ईच अदर फॉर ईयर्स मीन्स वो सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, सालों से. इट कैन बी 3 years, it can be 5 years, it can be 10 years or it can be 25 years. So there is no immediate time or exact time given here. There is no time. So that means when there is no mention of time and it shows the past events. For years, बहुत साल पहले. अब बहुत साल में 2 साल भी आ सकते हैं, 5 भी आ सकते हैं, 10 भी आ सकते हैं. But there is no exact time given. So जहाँ पे टाइम का एग्जैक्ट मेंशन ना हो वहाँ पे भी हम हैज़ या हैव लगाते हैं. तो मैक्सिमम जो प्रेजेंट है ना उसमें हैज़ और हैव लगता है. सब्जेक्ट has, have plus your verb and the object. यही स्ट्रक्चर होता है ना सेंटेंस का. तो दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट, दे, ठीक है. हैव हमारा परफेक्ट का लग गया. नोन ये हमारा मेन वर्ब है, ये हमारा मेन वर्ब है, ठीक है. ये हमारा परफेक्ट वाला हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. ईच अदर फॉर ईयर्स, ईच अदर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, ठीक है ना. फॉर ईयर्स तो मीन्स यहाँ पे वो सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं तो मीन्स इसमें प्रेजेंट भी आ गया और पास्ट भी आ गया. नाउ वी विल रीड सम एग्जाम्पल्स सो इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. आई हैव बीन टू सिंगापुर अर्लियर. मैं सिंगापुर पहले जा चुका हूँ, ठीक है. आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड द स्टोरी. मैंने अभी कुछ देर पहले स्टोरी खत्म की है. She has always admired your work. Now she is the subject here. Has helping verb, the perfect tense verb. Always admired is the main verb and your work means the object. So subject has plus your main verb plus your object. She has always admired your work. I have just completed the story. I is the subject, have I के साथ have लगता है, has नहीं लगता है. I have just completed the story. We have read this. This banyan tree has stood here since ages. This banyan tree. This is the subject. We are talking about the banyan tree, and this banyan tree means we are talking about something particular. Has stood here for since ages means ये जो banyan tree है since ages बहुत साल हो गए, ages हो गई हैं, ये यहीं पे खड़ा है. Means पास्ट में ग्रो हुआ था वहीं पे, अभी तक हैज स्टूड, अभी तक वहीं पे खड़ा है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ वी कम टू द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट डू वी यूज एंड हाउ वी मेक द स्ट्रक्चर. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर कैसा बनता है, द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. The present perfect tense is expressed thus, like has, have or has plus past participle means the third form. For example, she has eaten the apple. Now she is the subject here. She is the subject, right? Has, we use has and have. So she is a singular subject. So has plus eat, ate, eaten. 3 forms होती हैं. Eat, ate, eaten means the third form. Past participle form, the apple means the object. Second, they, plural form. This is the subject. So with the plural form we use have plus past participle post, post, posted the letters. Full stop. So this is how we form the present perfect. This is the formation of the present perfect tense. Subject has verb's third form, or we can call it past participle, the object. Subject have past participle plus object. So note down, we often use words like recently, just, already with present perfect tense if the action is just ended. So we use these words recently, just, already with only if the action is just ended. अभी कुछ time पहले. So we'll start from here. Exercise. The petrol prices has go, went, gone. So the third form is the gone. So petrol prices has gone up. The players is a plural. The players have performed. Third form. Well in the tournament. Rita has ordered an order for sandwiches at the fast food joint. She has received a letter from her aunt. She has scored. Right? So like this we form the present perfect tenses. So yes, we were here. We often use words like recently, just, already with the present perfect tense if the action is just ended. Means अगर action आपका अभी कुछ देर पहले finish हुआ है, so then we use these type of words like recently, just, already, right? So now we will complete this exercise. The petrol prices has, we have to use the third form, gone up. The players have, this is the plural, so we will use have performed well in the tournament. Rita singular है तो has लगेगा, has ordered an order for sandwiches at the fast food joint. Sorry, order नहीं आएगा यहाँ, placed आएगा. Right? So we will put here placed. Has placed an order. Okay? Has placed an order for sandwiches at the fast food joint. She has, now the word is received a letter. She has received a letter from her aunt. She has, the word is scored good marks in her maths exam. So I hope this tense is also clear to you. So we'll move further. Yes. Now we have already, I have already told you that the present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began in the past and is still going on. So it can be present perfect continuous. Now we have come to the next, the fourth part. This is the fourth part. This is the fourth tense. Now we are going to start with this. So we have completed present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect. And now we come to the fourth part of the present tense, that is the present perfect continuous. That means has, have plus been. So the present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began in the past and is still going on. Present means it had some effect in the present. Perfect means it's something happened in the past. Continuous means it is still continuing. So this is the combination of the last three tenses which we have just discussed. Present, इसका हमें वो बताएगा कि उसका effect present में भी है. Perfect, the action has just ended, right? Just completed. And continuous, जो हमने present continuous किए, continuous as the title suggests, that is in something is in progress. So this is the combination of three, right? The action which began in the past and is still going on, continues. अभी तक चल रहा है, past में कभी start हुआ था. So it can be used with the phrases like, हम लोग अक्सर इसमें कौन से phrases use करते हैं, like since, for, long, all day and all week. So we use these type of phrases in this tense. Now for example, the baby has been smiling since her mother returned from office. Like there is a past tense also in this, and there is something continuing. The baby has been smiling. This part tells about the, ठीक है, बच्चा स्माइल कर रहा है. कब से? Since her mother returned from her office. जब से उसकी मदर ऑफिस से आई है, मीन्स पास्ट में आ चुकी हैं, जब से उसकी मदर ऑफिस से आई हैं. The baby has been smiling. So this part is the continuous and this part is the perfect. Something, that action that happened in the past and उसका इफेक्ट जो है अभी भी नजर आ रहा है. The baby has been smiling. The patient has been waiting. This is the continuous part, present continuous part, for the doctor for 3 hours. Waiting for the doctor for 3 hours means, अब यहाँ for 2 बार क्यों लगा? For the doctor, यहाँ पे as a वो preposition लगा है डॉक्टर के लिए. For यहाँ पे वो लगा है as a perfect के लिए. ये हम continuous में जो हम word use for 3 years means we don't have any immediate time. हमारे पास कोई immediate time नहीं है. For 3 hours, 3 के 3.5 घंटे भी हो सकते हैं या 2.5 भी हो सकते हैं. Means not exact time is given. So then we use for. So this part is the first part is the continuous, present continuous, and the second part is something that happened in the, means for the last 3 hours. पिछले 3 घंटे से वो क्या कर रहा है? He has been waiting for the doctor. तो means इसमें past से उसने start किया, अभी तक वो डॉक्टर की वेट कर रहा है. Where else it can be used? Repeated actions हों जब हमारे. She has been knocking at the door but without any response. अब वो कितनी देर से, repeated, बार बार जो चीज हो रही है. She has been knocking at the door. वो डोर पे नॉक कर रही है. कब से? Without any response means अंदर से कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक. Now we come to the next one, drawing conclusions. जब हमने कोई conclusion निकालना है. Drawing means ये वाली drawing नहीं है. Drawing conclusions means आपने एक सर्वे किया या आपने कोई स्टडी की, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपने एक conclusion निकाला, नतीजा जिसे कहते हैं. Supriya's eyes are red. आपने पहले ये डिक्लेयर कर दिया. सुप्रिया की जो आईज हैं वो रेड हैं. Why? As she has been watching television all night. So now you'll give the reason. You have concluded, right? You have studied about this part that first of all you will declare something that her eyes are red. Now you have to give the conclusion also that why is this part is the concluding part. आपने conclude किया कि उसकी eyes red हैं, and ये जो part है आपने जो study किया था क्यों उसकी eyes red हैं. As she has been watching television all night. इसलिए उसकी eyes red हैं. आपने conclusion draw किया इससे. ये वाली study की आपने, उससे ये conclusion निकला. ठीक है? Use of since and for. Because we use since and for in this tense, so you should know that where you have to use the since and where you have to use the for. Excuse me. Since is used to denote a point of time. Whenever we have a exact point of time, then we use since. Like if some time is given, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. If some day is given, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If some month is given, January, February, March, April, any month. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, Diwali, some event is given, some function is given, exact. Diwali is given, Christmas is given, New Year is given, evening, morning, noon, youth, you can say old age, you can say childhood. So, if such exact time is given, point of time is given, then you have to use the since. and for is used to denote a period of time. Since हमने यूज किया जब से, कब से, 6 बजे से, since Monday, since January, since evening, since youth, since childhood, so means you have an point. आपने इस पीरियड से लेके इस पीरियड तक, इस पीरियड से लेके आज तक आप वो काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. फॉर में इट डिनोट अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वो पूरा पीरियड बताता है. फॉर 2 hours, फॉर 5 days, फॉर 7 days, मीन्स 7 days we can say like 2 months, 2 years, but it is not exact. 2 years can be 2.5 years, 2 years can be 1.5 year, means the exact time is not given. When exact point of time is not given, so then you have to use for. So I hope I am clear with this. Now look at this table, it will be more clear to you. We have covered the 4 tenses of the present tense. So this is the simple present column, this is the present continuous column, this is present perfect column, and here we can write down the present perfect column also. Like, take the example of this, I sing. This is the simple present. मैं गाता हूँ, I sing. If we have to change this into the present continuous, so I sing का बीच में क्या लग जाएगा? Is, am, are. यहाँ क्या लगता है? यहाँ क्या लगता है? Is, am, are. और यहाँ पे हमारे क्या लगता है? परफेक्ट में हैज, हैव, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे हमारे क्या लगता है? एस, ई एस और आई ई एस. इज इट क्लियर? एंड हियर वी यूज हैज, हैव प्लस बीन plus since or for. So now I sing, simple root form of the verb. I के साथ क्या लगेगा? am, sing, sing के साथ ing form plus ing form भी आएगा. यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम, आप, it will be clear to you. Is, am, are plus ing. ठीक है. Now it will be more clear. So here I sing, I am singing, ing लग गया. I have sung, मैं गा चुका हूँ. और अगर हम यहाँ बनाते हैं क्या बनेगा? I have been singing. या तो हमने for लगाना तो हम लिखेंगे for an hour. अगर since लगाना है तो I have been singing since 2 o'clock. So we can write in this form. I have been singing since 2 o'clock. Right? तो यहाँ पे हमने सेंस लगा दिया और एग्जैक्ट टाइम दे दिया. ठीक है. अगर हमने एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं देना तो हाँ आप लिख सकते हैं फॉर 2 hours या फॉर एन आवर. इफ यहाँ पे वी लगा है, वी सिंग, वी आर सिंगिंग, ing सिंगिंग, वी हैव सम, हम गा चुके हैं. नाउ हियर we have been singing. Now अगर हम यहाँ पे for लगा दें, for an hour, मीन्स हम 1 घंटे से गा रहे हैं. अब वो 1 घंटे का 1.5 घंटा भी हो सकता है, 1 घंटे का वो 1.25 घंटा भी हो सकता है, 2 hours भी हो सकता है. सो इसलिए हम वहाँ पे फॉर लिखेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास पॉइंट ऑफ पीरियड, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है तो हम सिंस लिखेंगे, अगर टाइम पीरियड है तो फॉर लिखेंगे. नाउ कम्स द यू सिंग. यू सिंग, यू आर सिंगिंग. ठीक. यू हैव sung. Okay. Now if we come to this part, you have been singing for 2 hours. 2 घंटे से तुम गा रहे हो. He sing, he is singing. क्योंकि सिंगुलर है तो उसके साथ is लगेगा. He is singing, he has sung. Right? Now if we write in this column, he has been singing since morning. Clear? I hope it is very much clear with this table. They sing, they are singing. Okay? They have sung. They have been singing since 9 o'clock. So I hope it is clear. All the 4 tenses which we have covered, I have explained you in this way. That is why it should be clear to you that how the form of verb changes. Here it is sing, singing, sung. Have been singing since. Just see the form of verb. Just see. Sing, singing, sung. Have been singing. So all the rules are same. You just have to apply the rules and you have to learn it by heart. That is the most important thing. Now this is a small exercise. We will solve it, so it will be very clear to you whether how much you have understood. So fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs given in the brackets. In brackets you are provided with the words and according to the tense form mentioned. So at the last of the sentence, the tense is also mentioned in the brackets, and according to that you have to change the verb. So come to the first one. Kshitij dash proper uniform to school every day. We have to change the form of verb into simple present. Kshitij, it's a singular subject. So Kshitij, wear means क्या लगेगा? Wears. क्योंकि singular है तो उसके साथ s, es या ies. You remember? We discussed this. Because it's a singular, so we will use the root form of verb with s, es or ies. Neeti, read or storybook. Present continuous. So Neeti continuous is mr plus verb ing form. So Neeti is read ing. Neeti is reading a story book. Continuous. Okay. The little boy throw a pebble into the pond. Present perfect. The action has just finished. So the little boy has have plus past participle. Has. Third form is ki throw, threw, thrown. Has thrown. Clear to you? Mother dash decorate the house for the festival. So we have to change this form into present continuous. So mother is a singular, is decorating. The house for the festival. Nisha participate in the sports meet. Present perfect. Nisha has. Singular subject है तो has. Participated. So with this we are finished with the present form of the present tense, all the four forms. So I hope it is very much clear to you, and you have to do each and every, you have to write each and every thing, whatever I have taught you from the beginning till the end. You have to watch it carefully, try to understand it. I hope it is very much helpful to you. So in the upcoming lecture, we will start with the past tense, past indefinite. Have a good day.